This is something that we thought that we will never see. MiG-29 fires an AGM-88 HARM missile at a Russian target. These missiles are designed to attack radar sources such as SAM batteries and other radar equipment. Another headache for Russian air defense. The Ukrainian reconnaissance captures how the Russian infantry, supported by a tank and 3 IVFs, stormed the Ukrainian positions. A counterattack of a Ukrainian tank follows, which shoots at the Russians and they flee. And Ukraine is now really scared. Look what a Russian bringing to the battlefield. They look old but are not T-55 or T-62 since those series have only 5 wheels. They are possibly ancient specimens of T-72 or T-80 with no modernization upgrades. They smoke again in Russia. A major fire in Rybinsk, Yaroslavl region. A furniture factory is burning on an area of about 3,000 square meters. The building's roof has already collapsed. The production enterprise Svoboda on Poselkova Street caught fire. A huge column of smoke can be seen from different parts of the city. Russian telegram channels are sharing reports of unconfirmed clashes in border towns of the Bryansk People's Republic. Meanwhile, let's watch a video of more vehicles at an undisclosed location, in close proximity to the border. Previously, there was heavy shelling in Grafovka, Belgorod region, about 13 kilometers from the Ukrainian-Russian border. There were also explosions reported in this town. 22nd Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. There is only one direction. tank live fire exercise combined with mental hardening exercises for the infantry. Yes, this is something radically new in warfare. Mass and cheap. Canadian military instructors say goodbye to Ukrainian defenders returning home from training. Thanks to Canadian forces for giving Ukrainian heroes the skills and means to make Ukraine free again.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.